beauties, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time seeing my gorgeous lovely face, my name is Atinuke. So today I'm going to share with you guys how I achieved this DIY lovely pick and drop wig. Yes, no one is going to know this is a wig. Yes, I make use of darling products. You're going to see the kind of hair I use. Just keep on watching the video. I really appreciate you guys for your support, for your love. Thank you so much, my amazing wonderful people, for sharing my video with your loved ones, for liking, for subscribing. Also make sure you turn on notification bell. You guys, I really appreciate your support and your love every time. Thank you so much. May God bless you and everyone. And if you've not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Can you please join the fam by clicking on the subscribe button? So let's get right into the tutorial. So guys, the lace net I use is 2x6 lace net. So it's kind of long. I'm going to be cutting some part out. That is why you see the front is longer when I'm pinning it down. So after you're done pinning it down, then you start sewing. Make sure you sew down before you cut it. So just normal sewing. I zoom in for you guys to see very well how I'm doing that. So I'm going to be sewing around. So after I'm done sewing it around, I'm going to be cutting the excess cap away, the excess cap underneath the lace net I sewed. We are not going to be needing that. I love using this method a lot. This method really helps me a lot, give me a good guideline, and does not allow my wig to be over full. So I love using this method a lot. I ran out of pen liner at some stage, so I started using my eyeshadow, liquid eyeshadow. So after I'm done doing that, I'm going to be cutting the excess lace off. I'll cut a little, I won't cut everything. So this is the hair I'm going to be using. It's a darling deep weave hair. I've used this hair before. It's 60 inches, guys. 60 inches. I've used this hair before. So we are going to be using a super glue. We are going to be needing a super glue. Yes, just keep on watching and try to find out what I want to use this super glue to do, because I don't want to stress myself. I want everything to be easy for me. So you can see now I've already braid first track, then the second track. Please always make sure your wig is canty from the beginning at the back. Make sure it's canty. You can cover up at the top. If you are done, if you think some places are still showing, then you can come back to come and fill it in, because if you fill it in from the beginning, my sister, this wig won't come out beautiful. It come out so shapeless. So I make sure my wig is so scanty from the beginning. So you can see what I'm doing now. I crochet the second track down. That really helps me a lot. It makes my work easier. I just started braiding. So now I start braiding after I've already crocheted some out. The back is so scanty. Don't worry, you're going to see how we're going to cover that up towards the end. So instead of me forming a loop, I'm going to be putting this glue, super glue. I won't be forming a loop. You can see how far I've gone. Is scanty, very, very scanty. Now the work is at the top. I need to close all the space at the back up, which I'm going to do that at the top. This is where the work just started. So I started braiding. Don't worry, I'm still going to show you if you don't want to use a glue to close up the down part, you can easily tie a knot. I'm still going to show you that if you don't want to use a glue, you can easily tie a knot. Please be careful with the super glue. Just drop a little. So that is what I keep on doing. You see, I crochet close to the closure, then I start braiding. So if you don't want to use a glue for yours, just tie a knot. If you are doing this hairstyle on your hair, please do not use a glue. Don't allow glue to hold down your hair. Just tie the knot 4 times. That is all. So you can see the top is kind of covering a little, but we are going to use the closure to finish up the work. You can see I lined 2 sections to the back. That is going to fall to the back. Then this place is going to fall to the side. Then I'll line the other side that will fall to the other side also. Then I will line out my pattern. That is my pattern where I want my pattern to start from. So you can see what I'm doing now. I already started from the back. Please be careful with the lace net so that it won't cut off, because if you are crocheting with it and it's kind of cut off, there will be a lot of holes on the lace net and that won't be good. So be careful and know the little amount of hair you crochet on it so that you can use that one to braid. So you can see that part, I did that off camera. You can see I've already closed that part. So now let me start closing the other part. Then I'll braid a little bit to the back for you to see what I'm talking about. So now this section is going to fall to the back. That is what I'm trying to show you guys, for you to see that you have to cover it. Yes, I tried my best. You can see that the front part is very full. That is what we need. You don't have to allow your hair to be bulky at the front without no shape. You just have to leave a lot of space at the back. Then you have to close up at the top. I used 2 packs of this hair to achieve this braid. I used 2 packs of this hair. Just kindly please keep on watching, guys. I know you are enjoying this amazing video. So we are going to see how I reduce the volume of the tip. You are going to see that. Just keep on watching. So before I do anything to the wig, I cut the excess lace, I cut it off. So this is what we are going to be needing: mousse, water and sheen to add some shine. So let's start. Now I'm going to spray water to the tip. I'll spray water. Don't worry, the mouth won't lose. We've already used a glue to hold it down, and if you have seen anything peeking through, don't worry, because I'm using my hand just to flop the hair anyhow. The back is covered. You're going to see towards the end of the video. So I keep spraying water, then I'm going to use my hand to detangle the hair. After I did that, you can see I trimmed the tip, I trim it off. I didn't show the length because my camera could not capture this kind of length. The hair is 60 inches. Then I apply mousse to it. Then I use some sheen to add some shine. The final look, oh my god, this came out so beautiful, guys. No, just hold on. This hair came out so beautiful. This hair is on point. No one is going to know this is a wig. This hair came out so natural, beautiful. Can you please make sure you comment down below? You can easily pack to the back. I really enjoy packing to the back. This is how I'm going to be rocking it to the back. This makes me feel so comfortable. The hair is lightweight, guys. It's not heavy at all. Very lightweight. That is all for the video, guys. Please do not forget to support by clicking on the like button, like, share, turn on notification bell, comment down below. Let me know if you are feeling the vibe of this hair. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Stay blessed always.